What's going on, guys? Spencer Clays here, and today my truck is filthy. So today I'm going to clean it out, but I'm also going to show you exactly every tool that I use. We're going to load it back up and kind of go through all the equipment and stuff that I use for roof cleaning, gutter cleaning, pressure washing business, all that sort of stuff. So let's get after it. All right, guys, we got the truck cleaned out, and I'm going to put the most important things in first. So these are the things that I personally use every single day and that I would not leave home without. And first off is going to be my soft wash tank. Normally you'd want to like empty it a bit before moving it, but it's a little workout. So this is my 26 gallon, 5.5 gallon per minute soft wash tank. So you can fill it up with bleach. It's got a hose and then, powered by 12-volt battery, which is currently charging right now. So this is how you soft wash roofs, soft wash houses, apply chemical, works great. The next thing, I usually put my leaf blower. This is a Husqvarna 525BX. This thing's great. I usually keep this in the cab, so there's no chance of it getting stolen. So I'll put that in here. I have an extra leaf blower as well. Yeah, and then going with the soft wash tank, load up the hose. This is just a 100-foot 0G hose. All this stuff is mentioned either in my book or in the links down below, so go check that out. There's you can see all the equipment stuff. Then I usually have, and just an extra, this is a little just 15, 20-foot hose, just for filling up the tank or just, various little things. Next, this is my tool kit for gutters. I have a hammer, drill. So, the gutter spikes, you can hammer those in, or sometimes you can have the gutter things or the gutter screws themselves. You can nail it, screw them back in. So this is really helpful to have. This also lives in the cab. Obviously, you got our brushes. This one is up here, the extension brush. This one's just a normal brush with aluminum. Unger brand from Home Depot works really well. Just a light brushing for the roofs. So that, go in there. So that is really the nuts and bones of my whole setup. From here, just the battery. That is a 12-volt deep cycle battery. Got an extra strap, a couple straps or so. The harness for the battery kit. So that's for the soft wash. So that is really the main stuff. The next thing that's really important if you're working on roofs is the roof harness. So this, you can rope up to roof anchors. You can tie up to things so you don't fall off the roof if it's a steep roof. So this is like, 100-foot kit from Home Depot or something. I think I got a Home Depot or Lowe's, one of those places. Extra strap there. So yeah, keep this in here. I usually keep this inside so it's a little drier. So if it's pouring rain, not gonna get too wet. So then everything else here is pretty much just chemical and other little applications. I can run through that real quick. The best bleach that I found is usually just going to Walmart. This is 10% sodium hypochlorite. So, fill 5 of these things in the tank and you're going to be able to soft wash your roof. So always keep some bleach on hand. And here's some OxiClean laundry detergent. I use it as a surfactant. Some more laundry detergent for moss preventative, soap, various containers for when I make the roof chemical out of laundry detergent and other stuff. Then, bucket is really nice for gutters. And then this is actually pretty useful if you have like any spot treatments. You can fill this up with bleach and just spray it really quick. This is kind of nice when sometimes you don't want to set up the whole tank or you just got something small to do. This is kind of nice to have. Side note, that was actually how I did my very first soft wash, was with just a little hand pump. It took me 4 hours to do a $400 job, but still, it was 4 hours just to spray. It was literally just spraying. Now that thing takes me like 15 minutes to spray. It's awesome. And then, various gas cans, leaf blower, and then just general gasoline for my pressure washer. So yeah, So another thing is, this is a window washing brush. You can also use it for solar panels And then this is just another brush head for other stuff. Knife for random stuff. 2-stroke oil. Spray bottle in case you need to spray. Another little spot treatment thing. It's kind of nice to have. And then I usually like to keep an extra 100 feet of rope. It's nice to have in case, you know, you're roping up on a roof, you want a little bit extra, or you want to rope up to something else. So that is pretty much all that stuff. I will cover the pressure washer real quick. So this is my 2.5 gallon per minute Kohler pressure washer. Honestly, guys, I rarely use this thing. It's awesome, but I just don't pressure wash that much. Like, most of my jobs are roof and gutter cleaning, so I rarely need this. I'll only bring this if I'm doing like a back patio, or sometimes if it's a metal roof. But you know, if you have a pressure washing system, great, go with that. If not, and if you just want to do soft washing, it's awesome too. So this is everything, you know, it makes me $500 to $1,000 every single day that I want to work. It's easy money. You really don't need, like, none of this stuff really costs that much money, which is the beautiful part. Again, if you want to see where you can buy all that sort of stuff, check out some of the links below. But get after it, make that money, guys. Let's go.
Thanks for tuning in to the Spencer Clay Show. That's all for now. See you in the next episode. Peace.